Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lecture we studied how to write an informal letter. In today's class we have to study one example of formal letter. In the next lecture, that is in video number 18, we will study how to write an application. Letter writing is very important. It is useful for the students of all grades, primary as well as secondary. So please watch the whole video and try to understand. If you follow the format and write a letter properly, you can get full marks in it. You know that formal letters are the official letters dealing with the subjects such as injury, ordering, booking, complaints, loss, transfer of money, request, etc. These letters are formal in nature. In such type of letters, nothing is personal or intimate. What matters is setting out your letter correctly, keeping to the point and maintaining the necessary formal tone. Now let us study how to write a formal letter.
Now let us see the format of a formal letter. We should take into consideration some important points while writing such type of letter. Number 1. Sender's or writer's address. Sender's or writer's address should be written in the same way as we write in an informal letter, means to the left hand side of the page. Number 2 is date. Write the date on which you are writing a letter. The third point is receiver's address. Here, the name and address of the addressee or receiver should be written. Here I would like to tell you that the address, whether yours or the person to whom you are writing, need not be factually correct as no one is going to check it. Number 4 is subject of the letter. This highlights the aim of writing the letter. The subject should be very brief, 6 to 8 words. Number 5 is salutation. Salutation in formal letter may be dear sir, dear madam, dear sirs, sir, etc. according to the man or woman or the business firm addressed. Point number 6 is content or body of the letter. This is a very important part of the letter. Just like an informal letter, formal letter also contains at least 3 paragraphs. However, they are slightly smaller than informal letter. You can also make 2 paragraphs if you want to write in brief. If the content is divided in 3 paragraphs, the paragraphs should be like this. The first paragraph should contain your details and the details of your complaint or information. The immediate reference is made in the opening sentence. It refers to the subject matter of the letter. The second paragraph contains the description of the problems you faced and the details you may want to add. In the third paragraph, you should conclude the letter. This paragraph contains the repetition of problems stated in the first paragraph. So, this is all about the body of the letter. The next point is point number 7. This is subscription or leave taking. This too is written on the left hand side of the page. Subscription for formal letter can be written as yours faithfully or yours truly. Y of yours should be capital here. And finally, the last point, that is point number 8, is the letter ends with your signature. Here you should write your name and surname. Okay? So the format contains these 8 points. Don't forget this. See the subject matter now. We should know these important points while writing a formal letter. Subject matter, formal letter. Formal letters are official letters dealing with subjects as industries, transfer of money, requests, complaints, laws, etc. Number 2. These letters are formal in nature. Number 3. In such letter, nothing should sound personal. Number 4. A business letter should be brief, showing creative or imaginative skills. Number 5. Let your letter be clear so that the reader knows exactly what you want. Number 6 is maintain the necessary formal tone. Be businesslike. Use straightforward style which tries to say exactly what it means. The 7th point is be polite in your expression. This principle holds good even in letter of complaint. And the last point is let your letter be accurate in your language, expression, spelling and punctuation. See the example of formal letter now. This is written with the help of given 8 points. The question is, write a letter of complaint to the police about the movements of some suspicious characters in your locality. First of all, we should write the address, means sender's or writer's address. Here I have written M67, Shiv Krupa Colony, Bir Bypass Road, Aurangabad. Then leave one line and write the date on which you are writing a letter. I have written 13th October 2020. Again leave one line and write the address of the person to whom you are writing a letter. I have written the Station House Office, Shiv Krupa Colony, Aurangabad. Again leave one line and write the subject. The subject should be of maximum 8 words. Here I have written request to investigate suspicious men in our locality. Now we have to write a letter. As this is a formal letter, the salutation I have used here is Sir. You can also write Dear Sir. Now please pay attention. I am reading. First of all, write Sir and put comma. Then leave one line and then begin your first paragraph. See what is written here in the first paragraph. I wish to draw your attention towards the members of some suspicious looking characters in our locality since the past few days. These men have never been seen in our locality before this. Usually they are found together late in the evening smoking something which could well be drugs. This is the first paragraph. This paragraph contains the details of the complaint. Now see the second paragraph. First leave one line and start the second paragraph. The residents of our locality fear they could also be dangerous to the children who play in the park. Very few children are seen playing in the evening. We all take care while sending our children out. This second paragraph contains the description of the problem. Again, leave one line and start your third paragraph. See what is written here in this paragraph. I hereby request you to kindly investigate in this matter and take appropriate action at your earliest so that the residents of this locality can be at peace once again. This the third paragraph which contains request or suggestion. Again, leave one line and write thanking you. Then we should write the subscription. As this is a formal letter, we can write yours faithfully, yours truly like this. Remember to write Y capital in yours. And finally, write your name and surname. Here I have written Kumar Shastri. Okay, so this is a formal letter. With the help of this, you can write many letters. Thank you.